Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can insert a playlist of audio files encoded as MP3 or OGG files for HTML5 playback into your pages or posts to allow users to listen to a playlist of audio files. While you can add MP3 and OGG audio files to a playlist, you cannot currently, as of WordPress 4.0, add alternate versions for each audio file to the playlist. Therefore, any audio files added to an audio playlist should be encoded for maximum browser compatibility, as there are no alternate audio file sources for each audio file added. Audio files within a playlist will begin playing automatically when the previous audio file within the playlist has finished playing. The user can also simply click the name of an audio file in the playlist to begin playback if desired. To insert an audio playlist into a page or post, upload the HTML5 audio files to add to the audio playlist into the media library. Then open the page or post to edit it within either the post editor or the page editor windows. Click to place your insertion point into the content of the page or post where you want the audio playlist to appear. Then click the Add Media button above the content shown in the post editor or page editor window to open the Insert Media window. Click the Create Audio Playlist link at the left side of the Insert Media window that appears to view the Create Audio Playlist window and show the Media Library tab. Click the Uploaded HTML5 audio files within the Media Library tab to select them. Each audio file you click will appear with a check mark in its upper right corner. You can click this check mark to deselect a selected audio file and remove it from the selected files if needed. The selected audio files will also appear in the lower left corner of the window. You can click the clear link that also appears here to remove all selected audio files and start selecting the audio files all over again if needed. As you click each audio file, the currently selected audio file's information, if you already added it, should appear in the Attachment Details pane to the right. If you did not add that information to the file in the media library yet, you can add it now. However, note that for audio files, the artist and album metadata can only be added by editing the media within the media library. It is not available for editing when adding the audio files to the playlist. If you need to upload an audio file, you can click the Upload Files tab to upload an audio file. After you have selected the audio files to include within the playlist and are ready to continue, click the Create a New Playlist button in the lower right corner of the window to display the Edit Audio Playlist window. In the Edit Audio Playlist window, you can set the order of the audio files within the audio playlist. You can click and drag the audio files shown to rearrange them in the order that you prefer. You can hold your mouse pointer over an audio file shown and click the X button that appears in the upper right corner of the file to remove the audio file from the playlist. You can also click the Reverse Order button in the upper right corner of the window to reverse the order of the audio files within the audio playlist if needed. In the Playlist Settings panel at the right side of the window, you can check the Show Tracklist checkbox to add a listing of the audio files in the playlist to the bottom of the media player within the page or post. You can check the Show Artist Name in the Tracklist checkbox to display the artists' names in the tracklist if you added the artists' names to the artist metadata field when editing the information for the audio file after uploading it into the media library. You can check the Show Images checkbox to display embedded images for the audio files if available. If you forgot to add an audio file to the playlist, you can click the Add to Audio Playlist link at the left side of this window to display the Add to Audio Playlist window. Here you can select audio files to add to the playlist on the Media Library tab, or upload new audio files on the Upload Files tab. Then click the Add to Audio Playlist button in the lower right corner of this window to return to the Edit Audio Playlist window, where you can adjust the playback order of the audio files again. To insert the audio playlist into your page or post after setting the audio playback order and settings, click the Insert Audio Playlist button in the lower right corner of the Edit Audio Playlist window. To cancel creation of the audio playlist, you can click the Cancel Audio Playlist button in the upper left corner of the Edit Audio Playlist window to return to the Create Audio Playlist window. After you have inserted an audio playlist into a page or a post, you can click it to select it within the page or post, and then click the Edit button, which looks like a pencil icon in the upper left corner of the audio playlist, to open the Edit Audio Playlist window again, where you can edit the audio playlist. Be sure to click the Save Draft or Update buttons that appear within the Publish panel to save changes to the page or post after you insert or edit the audio playlist. To delete an audio playlist within a page or post, click it to select it, and then click the X button that appears in the upper left corner of the audio playlist to remove it from the page or post.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.